Hi, so week 16 update of my saxophone journey in midlife. Welcome to my channel kung may nanonood pa. This is my week 16, probably 17 update. So last Saturday, nagkaroon kami ng class. And it's an hour but 30 minutes lang, pero tinutukan ako ng instructor for 30 minutes. And yun, maganda kasi nasasabayan niya na ako and sasabayan ko na pala siya. So pinractice namin yung music exercises with yung instructor, yung nagba-back up, nagsi-second sax, and then nakakatugtog kami ng maganda. So, for 30 minutes, ginawa namin yun, sinunod-sunod namin, and kinokorek niya yung mali ko, and tinuturo niya yung mga tamang pagbasa dun sa music sheet. So, maganda kasi marami ako natutunan so far. I think that was the good part, not the best. That was the best ng class kasi marami talaga, nakatutok siya for 30 minutes. And tinuro niya yung pagbasa ng music sheet. But it's all about classical music. And I realized na dun sa isa yung may accents dun sa music sheet. Na-realize ko na ang ginagawa ko na is accented. So yung una, nilakasan ko lang, hindi pala yun paglakas. It's about accent. So parang compare ko dun sa mga magagaling na sax, I think yun yung accents, yung may kakaibang tone para maging sexy, sweet yung sound. But overall, yun yung magandang update ko last weekend, last na class. So far, nakakatawa kasi marami na akong tinutugtog as nakita yun naman na nakapag-upload na ako ng song na natag as copyright issue dun sa isa. Ewan ko lang yung panibago. So may issue pala ganun na nakaka-copyright. I don't know what to do next. Nakaka-copyright pala. Although wala naman ako monetization. Pero sana hindi nila tanggalin yung audio. Kasi sayang naman. Nakikita ko naman yung mga ginagaya ko. Meron sila. So far, that's my update. See you soon. See you again.